Jai Hind and welcome back to all of my lovely students. This is the solid state part 6. In this part, our topic of discussion is imperfection in solids. It is very important for examination. This topic covers point defects, classification of point defects, stoichiometry defects, non-stoichiometry defects, and impurity defects. We are going to discuss this one by one. What does imperfection in a solid means? The constituent particles of a perfect crystal lattice are arranged in an order. Any deviation from the orderly arrangement constitutes a defect or imperfection. Any deviation from the orderly arrangement constitutes a defect or imperfection. This is the diagram of the orderly arrangement of a crystal. A real crystal cannot be an ideal crystal. It is not possible to have perfect crystal. This concept is same. It is not possible to have a perfect crystal. It is as same as ideal gas is generally not obtained. So perfect crystal is also not going to be obtained. Only the absolute zero temperature crystal can have perfectly ordered arrangement of constituent particle. What is absolute zero temperature? That means 0 Kelvin temperature. 0 Kelvin means minus 273 degrees centigrade. At absolute zero particle have the lowest energy. As the temperature increases, the arrangement deviates from the ordered arrangements. As temperature increases, arrangement are going to be deviate. An ideal crystal does not exist. In a real crystal, there are several lattice defects. Effect of imperfection in crystal lattice. Effect of imperfection in crystal lattice. Real material have defect, impurities, irregularities in the alignment of atoms, defects after macroscopic properties of materials. Thus, controlling defects is important in many kind of material processing. Defects can affect the color, density, electrical properties, etc. Here are few examples. Ruby is the first example. Presence of a small fraction of chromium, chromium, in place of aluminium in Al2O3 makes its valuable gems because chromium is responsible for the colors in the ruby. Same steel, addition of measured atoms of carbon, nickel and iron produce its alloy called steel, which is more durable than iron. Types of point defects. Point defects are irregularities or deviate from the ideal arrangement around a point or an atom in a crystalline solid. Point defects are also known as atomic imperfection. Point defect, stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defect further divided into Stokes defect in ionic solid, Frankel defect in ionic solid, vacancy defect in ionic solid, interstitial defect in ionic solid. Point defect on stoichiometry, metal excess defect caused by anionic vacancies, metal excess defect caused by extra cation in interstitial sites, metal deficiency defects caused by cationic vacancies, metal deficiency defect caused by extra anion in interstitial site. Or last one is the impurity defect. Stoichiometry defect. As we know, point defect are mainly three types, in which stoichiometry defect are further divided into four types. Stoichiometry defect are the point defect which do not disturb the stoichiometry of the solid. These are also known as thermodynamic and intrinsic defect. In this type of defect, some of the lattice points are unoccupied. There are two reasons for such vacancies or holes. Displacement of ions from lattice point to the interstitial position, first reason. Second, ions are missing from the lattice points. स्टाइक्योमेट्री डिफेक्ट में फर्स्ट है स्टाइक्योमेट्री डिफेक्ट इन आयनिक सॉलिड. क्लियर? A stocky defect in ionic solid. A stocky defect in a vacancy defect that occurs. Stokey defect is a vacancy defect that occurs in ionic solid when equal number of cations and anions are missing from their respective lattice site. This ensures that the solid remains electrically neutral. Conditions for Stokey defects are highly ionic nature of the compound first, second, cations and anions of almost equal in size, high coordination number of the compound, example sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and silver bromide texture. Here, this is the cationic vacancies and this is the anionic vacancies. Cation is blue color ball and anion is the red color ball. Stoichiometry defects means second part is Frankel defects. A Frankel defect is an interstitial defect. It is also called as dislocation defect. In this type of defect, a cation occupies an interstitial position, creating a cationic vacancy at the original site in the lattice. Why this is going to be happen? In this defect, the crystal remains electrically neutral because the number of the anions and the cations remains the same. Condition for Frankel defects are first, anions much larger than cations, second, low coordination number, example silver chloride, silver bromide and zinc sulfide. Important point is that anion much larger than cation. Here blue ball is the anion and red ball is the cation. This is the cation vacancy. Why? This cation is going to be transferred in the interstitial position of the another sites. So this is also known as dislocation defect. Stoichiometry defects, vacancy defect in non-ionic solids. First two defect, Stokey and Frankel, is for ionic solid, but this vacancy defect is for the non-ionic solids. Vacancy defect are defect in which some of the lattice are vacant. This is the vacant. Heating of solid may lead to this type of defect. Vacancy defect result in decrease in the density of the solid due to missing atom from its regular atomic sites. This is very simple. So we can see this is the vacancy defect. This is because of heating, excess heating due to any other reasons. Interstitial defect in non-ionic solids. What is this? Interstitial defects are defect in which some of the vacant interstitial sites are occupied by atoms. These vacant places are occupied by any different atoms. This defect shows a slight increase in the density of the solid. It occurs due to the extra atom being squeezed in this lattice, opposite to the vacancy defect. Point defect means second part है non-stoichiometry defect, in which first is metal excess defect caused by anionic vacancies. Second, metal excess defect caused by extra cation. Third, metal deficiency defect caused by cation vacancy. The fourth, metal deficiency defect caused by extra anion in interstitial sites. Non-stoichiometry defect are render compounds to have a definite ratio of anion to cation from that in the ideal chemical formula. Non-stoichiometry defects are classified as metal excess defect caused by anion vacancies and extra cation in interstitial sites. Second, metal deficiency defects caused by cation vacancies and extra anions in the interstitial sites. Metal excess defect caused by anion vacancies. In this type of defect, there may be anions missing from their lattice sites, leaving vacancies. These anionic vacancies are occupied by the electron to maintain the electrical neutrality of the lattice. The vacant site occupied by the electrons are termed as Abcenter. Abcenter is taken from the German word Farbengenter, meaning colored center. This is the metal excess defect in which one electron is going to be missing, one anion is going to be missing, and it is replaced by electron. That center is known as Abcenter, which is responsible for the color in the metal. Crystal with Abcenter. The trapped electrons of Abcenter are responsible for the color of certain ionic crystal which otherwise are colorless or absorbing energy from the visual spectrum of light. These electrons get excited and jump to higher energy level. Later, when they return to the lower energy level, they emit the wavelength of light which impact specific color to the crystal. Concept is very clear. Abcenter electron is occupied. When electron is going to be excited, they go their high energy level. When electron going to be returned its ground state, they emit a light, a particular wavelength which generally comes in the visual range. So this is going to be responsible for the color. Example, sodium chloride. Excess sodium imparts yellow color to the sodium chloride crystals, and potassium chloride imparts lilac color to the potassium chloride crystal. Metal excess defect caused by extra cation at interstitial sites. In this defect, extra cations and electrons occupy interstitial position to make the lattice electrically neutral. This solute show conductivity due to the presence of electrons. This is the extra cation at interstitial position. For making the electrical neutrality system, one electron is also at the interstitial positions. So overall system is going to be neutral. Metal excess defect in zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is the examples. Zinc oxide at room temperature is generally white color, but on the heating, due to defect, it is converted into yellow color. Why? We are taking this from the slides. Zinc oxide is a white color crystalline solid at room temperature. On heating, its color changes to yellow. On heating, zinc losses. Zinc losses at zinc 2 plus ion. This is the chemical equation. This cause of excess zinc plus ion in the crystal, and the formula deviates from zinc oxide to Zn1 plus X oxide. The excess zinc ions occupy the interstitial sites and the electrons at the neighboring interstitial sites. These electrons get excited by absorbing visual lights and are responsible for the color change. Non-stoichiometry defects. Metal deficiency defect caused by cation vacancies. The non-stoichiometric compounds may have metal deficiency defect due to missing cations from the lattice sites. Some neighboring cations exhibit higher oxidation state to make the crystal lattice electrically neutral. Transition metals with variable oxidation state can show these defects. For example, this is the crystal lattice in which one anion is missing, which is A+. For maintaining the electrical neutrality, this anion is converted into A2+, because of variable oxidation properties. Impurity defect. This is the last defect. This type of defect arises when an impurity cations with higher oxidation state and of the same size as other cations in the lattice is present at the lattice sites of the host cations. For example, in the lattice of silver chloride, some of the sites of silver plus are occupied by cadmium 2 plus impurity ions. Each cadmium 2 plus ion replaces two silver ions. It occupies the sites of one ion and the other sites remains vacant. Thus, the number of the cationic vacancies generated are equal to that of the cadmium 2 plus ions. This type of defect also leads to the formation of p-type of semiconductor. We can see that this is silver chloride crystals in which cadmium 2 plus ion impurity are inserted. Because of that, one chloride ion is going to be silver ion is going to be vacant, because cadmium 2 plus ion replaces two silver ion due to 2 plus charge, and silver ion have only 1 plus charge. A quick recap. Here are the main points occurred in these topics. Point defect are the deviation from the ideal arrangement around a point or an atom in a crystal lattice. Point defects are broadly of three types: stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric, and impurity defect. Stoichiometric defects do not disturb the stoichiometry of the solid. They are also known as the thermodynamics or intrinsic defects. Stoichiometric defects in ionic solids are of two types: stoichiometric defects and Frankel defects. Stoichiometric defect is in non-ionic solids are two types: vacancy defect and interstitial defects. Non-stoichiometric defects are classified as metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Metal excess defect are caused by anionic vacancies and extra cations in interstitial sites, whereas metal deficiency defects are caused by cation vacancies. Thank you. All the best for your